So I'm working on a 7D, yours is a 60D. They're quite similar. The button setup is a little bit different, like on off. I think it's pretty much all the same. But anyway, so what we do is switch it on. We'll go to live view to initially set up the focus, whatever we're focusing on. Once it's in live view, we should be able to see through the LCD screen what we're looking at over there. If we half press, not full press, because full press will be taking the picture. So what we're going to do is we're going to just half press that. If you half press, you can see in the center the green. This is busy. The green, that lights up green, so that's what I'm focusing on. It's green, so that's it. We've got it in focus. So we've half pressed that, and now it's in focus. We'll take it off live view, and now we'll look through the viewfinder. So if we look through the viewfinder, we can see that it is looks a bit out of focus. So this is the diopter. We can adjust this up and down into position once it's in focus. So what we'll do, we'll look through there, and then we'll move that around until we get that in focus with our eyes. Once that's in focus with our eyes, then it should look nice and clear. If that doesn't focus to our adjustment to our eyes, then there is a problem. We'll have a look at it. But yeah, so first we'll get it in focus, then adjust that to so it's nice and clear when we look through there, and that's a good telltale sign that everything's working okay. If that's all too much, you can send it to us and we'll take a look at it, to the PO box, the mount and PO box, and we'll have a look.